Joe Herbert, your Erie real estate agent. Today I've got another amazing listing. And I say this one's amazing because of the location, the size, the functionality, and the price. This thing is gonna sell fast. I'm at 1749 West 27th Street in Southwest Erie. But before I tell you anything else, I want you to subscribe to the channel so you get more great listings like this. Click the thumb to like the video and click the bell so you get notified every time I drop another awesome listing. So, quick details. Over 1,900 square feet, 3 big bedrooms, 2 full baths, a half bath in the lower level, finished lower level, little kitchenette in the basement. There's an in-law suite with a kitchen, the main kitchen, big 2-car garage, and a nice yard. Let's check this out. Come on. All right, so I just came in the front door. We're inside of 1749 West 27th Street. And I want you to take a big spin of this real nice front parlor. Shampooed rugs, nice windows, lots of natural light. Check it out. Come on in one of the 2 kitchens on the first floor. As I mentioned, there's an in-law suite here. This is the main kitchen, nice eating area. Again, a lot of natural light, gas stove and refrigerator both stay. Take a look. There's a hallway behind me with a full bath, but it also leads to what they use as an in-law suite. And so when you go into this in-law suite to the left, there's a parlor, a kitchen, and if you go to the right, you'll see the full bath in the bedroom. Take a quick spin, Matt. Check that out. We are upstairs now in the 2nd level, and I love this bedroom. It's huge. And then behind me, in front of me in the hallway, there's another big bedroom and a full bath. So this is all up in the 2nd level. Take a look. Okay, how about that? Nice 2nd level. Now we're gonna go in the lower level of the house where there's some finished space, really nice billiards room, and by the way, the pool table can stay if you like. There's a half bath, a kitchenette area, and plenty of storage. It's nice and clean now. Come on, let's go take a look.
I'm just gonna hit the stairs, see the stairs.
I'm in the lower level now, and this home is beautiful down here. You don't know it, but I'm on my bare feet because the floor is beautiful. It's clean and dry. There's a half bath behind me. There's a kitchenette area where they did canning. This nice floor and finished ceiling wraps all the way around. There's a beautiful billiards room on the other side, and the pool table can stay if you want. Take a look at this great basement. I'm outside now, and I wanted to take a quick shot of this driveway. The backyard is perfect for entertaining, and if you've got a lot of people coming here, there's on-street parking, but you can literally park 6 cars in this driveway and in the parking in the back. Take a look at all this parking. So as I stated, the outside of this house is like a little oasis. It's great for entertaining. You've got this wonderful concrete covered patio. You got an area over here for a picnic table, a grill, large, extra large 2-car garage, and a great yard in the back. So that concludes the tour of 1749 West 29th Street. And before I make a couple closing comments, don't forget, subscribe to the channel, click the thumb to like the video, and click the bell so you get notified when I keep listing all the awesome homes. But again, 1749 West 27th Street, a little over 1,900 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, finished lower level, in-law suite, big yard, big 2-car garage, covered patio. If my wife and I were still looking for a house, you wouldn't be seeing this video because I would buy this house. I love the neighborhood. I love the functionality of the house. Beautiful homes around here, nice and quiet, low traffic. What a great property. You better not walk, run to this house. Thanks for watching.